Today I am making after-dinner digestive lozenges with herbal powders. In this recipe we use the folk method of measuring, which means that we will be measuring in parts. I have 4 parts coconut sugar, 2 parts cardamom powder, and 1 part each ginger, licorice, and acacia powder. I'll start by combining my herbal powders and coconut sugar. After the powders are thoroughly mixed together, I'm going to slowly add some fennel extract. You want to combine 1 dropper full of liquid at a time until you have created a cookie dough-like texture. Now it's time to form the lozenges. I'm going to roll my mixture into 1/4-inch balls with my hands. You have the option to roll your lozenges through some additional licorice powder to create an anti-stick coating. After I have formed the lozenges, I'm going to leave them on a plate or screen to dry for a few days. Lozenges can then be stored in a glass jar or tin and served after meals to help aid in the digestion process. Bon appetit!